Okay, चलो guys, ठीक है, so let's start. So again, I just wanted to जो न्यू पर्सन्स हैं जस्ट एक लाइन में अपनी ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे. व्हाट इज़ देयर नेम, व्हाट इज़ देयर ऑक्यूपेशन एंड फ्रॉम वेयर दे बिलोंग, एंड जस्ट ऑल्सो मेंशन ऑन विच पेज दे आर एट, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू नो कि किस पेज पे तुम लोग हो, सो दैट आई कैन प्रोसीड फर्दर एंड देन यू कैन आई कैन प्रोवाइड देन असाइनमेंट्स एंड नेक्स्ट बुक्स जो हम दे सकते हैं. सो ये डिटेल्स आप फटाफट लाइन बाय लाइन सब लोग बताते जाओ. फर्स्ट योर नेम, फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर, ठीक है, व्हाट इज़ योर ऑक्यूपेशन राइट नाउ, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग राइट नाउ, एंड हाउ मेनी पेजेस यू हैव फिनिश्ड राइट नाउ. ठीक है, सो विल स्टार्ट विद हर्ष.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Jain and I am from Khategaon, Madhya Pradesh, from Dewas district. And I am in IIT Kanpur. I am first year MTech, and currently I have finished the book till chapter 5. I have completed chapter 5.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, Raj, over to you. Your voice is not audible, Raj.
Hello.
Yes, yes, now it's perfect.
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Amish Shukla. Actually, घर का नाम राज है, यहाँ पे दो दो नाम होते हैं. So, I'm Amish Shukla. I'm from Lucknow. My hometown is in Basti, which is in between Gorakhpur and Ayodhya. सौरभ भैया आप जानते होगे, I think.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
And I'm in Merchant Navy from last 4 years and as a rank of junior officer. और about the book, मैं chapter 2 finish कर लिया हूँ, chapter 3 start कर रहा हूँ.
Nice, nice. Yeah, Jaydeep.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. So my name is Jagdeep Sarwakar. I am the first one to attend this meeting because in the first meeting I had some assignment issue, and the second meeting I was traveling somewhere. So yeah. So I am from Ahmedabad, near to Ahmedabad, you can say, and I have completed my BTech in Mechanical from Ahmedabad LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad, in 2019. And for in the book, I am in the second chapter right now.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Jaydeep, for sharing your experiences and your background. Yeah, over to you, Anushree.
Hello everyone. I am Anushri and I am from Khalilabad, Sant Kabir Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, and I am pursuing masters in vocational study in banking and insurance from National PG College, Lucknow, and I have completed first chapter.
Nice. Thanks for sharing your experience. Yeah, Prince, over to you.
Hello everyone, I am Prince Kumar Singh from Patna and Bihar, and currently I am pursuing MTech from IM department IIT Kanpur, and currently I am in 32 page of chapter 1.
Nice.
Page number 32 of chapter 1.
Okay, thank you, Prince. Yeah, Sumit, over to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Patil. I am an MTech first year student at IIM department at IIT Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur only. And about the program of the book, I have done listening to book till chapter number 5, and I have finished my reading till I think it was chapter number 3. I don't remember the page. I think it was chapter 3.
Okay. Thanks, Sumit. Yeah, Deepika, you can please go ahead.
Hello everyone, this is Deepika and I'm from Gurugram. I'm pursuing a master's in commerce and I started chapter 4. So yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Thank
That's a
you.
good progress. Nice. Yeah, Deepali, what's your progress?
Hello everyone. Actually, this last week was very busy, so I missed my reading habit. So, but one thing what I adapted in last week is I started exercise like on a daily basis. So this is something which I learn or which I started, but I break my reading habit. So next, like this is the update.
Okay, thank you everyone for giving your update. See, now I can understand that most of the students, most of the people that are here are towards the end of second chapter, third chapter. Most of the people are at the third chapter on an average. So I was planning to give you some assignments based on the experiences that you had gone through this book, but right now I'll be postponing it. Then we'll give you 1 week more time, and then in the next week we'll try to finish the book, and then we'll work on some assignments that we had. So okay, thank you for sharing your experiences, and this time I have planned something for you, something exciting, something surprising. I was working late night about the same, and I would like to ask you a couple of questions before that. So anyone can come up and then he can answer that, or I can just call out your name and you can just come forward and ask the name. Okay, sounds good? Right. So I would like to ask one question. This question is something ki in the last week, right? In the last week, I wanted to tell you, I wanted to ask you that कि पिछले एक हफ्ते में तुम लोगों को कोई भी एक पॉजिटिव चीज़ अपने लाइफ पे क्या एडिशन आपने किया है, या फिर आपके सराउंडिंग्स में क्या एक पॉजिटिव चीज़ हुई है. आई वुड लाइक टू आंसर. सो एनी वन कैन कम फॉरवर्ड. लाइन से आप चल जाओ, एक पॉजिटिव चीज़ बताओ जिसको आप ग्रैटिट्यूड फील करते हो. यू फील दैट दिस वॉज समथिंग that I earned that I experienced as a positive experience during this last 1 week. There may have been a lot of negative experiences, but yes, please identify one that positive experience and share it with me. For example, let me start with first. So पिछले एक हफ्ते में the positive experience that I had was कि I reach out couple more students, couple more my friends, जहाँ पे I help them to build their own LinkedIn network. I help them set up their own naukri.com profile, जहाँ पे वो अभी, and some people have already started achieving their results. So this was one of the positive outcome that I gained this week. So yeah, Harsh, would you like to go first?
Like sir, मैं तो घर मैंने अपना एक्सपेंस ट्रैकर भी बनाया, हैबिट ट्रैकर, दोनों चार्ट भी बनाए, और मैं चेंज आ रहा है, और मुझे मतलब सब्जेक्ट्स में भी, एकेडमिक्स में भी हेल्प हुआ है काफ़ी. लाइक स्टोकेस्टिक पहले मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था, पर मैं अब धीरे धीरे पढ़ने लगा तो थोड़ा सा इजी हो रहा है, तो मुझे तो बहुत हेल्प मिला है, और यही एक पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस रहा.
Nice. Thank you Harsh for sharing your experience. Yeah, Raj, would you like to share? Please unmute yourself, then you can speak.
लास्ट 1 वीक में मैंने 2 नई चीज़ें ज्वाइन करी है. पहला तो ये ग्रुप विच इज़ आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज़ आई जॉइंड अ NGO, और उसके लिए भी मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर माई पीपल एंड सोसाइटी. और मुझे समझ नहीं आता था, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज स्टार्टेड गिविंग एक्सक्यूजेस कि ठीक है अभी तो मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, ये करने के बाद जब मैं इस स्टेज पे पहुँच जाऊँगा तब मैं करूँगा. आई वॉज क्वाइट स्टेबल हो गया था, मैं सोचता नहीं था ठीक है मैं 1 साल बाद 2 साल बाद मैं कर लूँगा. बट ये बुक मैंने स्टार्ट करा, 1-2 लोगों से ऐसे गैदरिंग करना शुरू, वहाँ से मुझे आइडिया मिला और मैंने वो NGO ज्वाइन करा है, ये ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया हूँ. ये 2 चीज़ों के लिए लास्ट वीक में मैं बहुत ही थैंकफुल हूँ.
Okay, yeah, thank you Raj. Yeah, Jaideep, would you like to go next?
Definitely. So in this week, I have started reading this book. Prior to that, we all know that we have the about 60 to 70% start reading habit by reading the author of, Chetan Bhagat.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. So I have read that 2 to 3 books prior to the first sem, but in between it didn't work out. So now I have been reading this book from the last week. Going great.
Great. Yeah, thank you Jaideep. So so the next Anushri, would you like to go next?
Yes.
please.
I am trying to interact with new people and making new friends because मतलब मुझे ऐसा फियर होता है कि लाइक मैं किसी नए लोगों से बात करती हूँ तो मुझे ज़्यादा मन नहीं होता. बट या आई एम ट्राइंग टू इंटरेक्ट विद देम.
डेफिनेटली ये एक नया पर्सपेक्टिव आप लेके आओ कि interaction is very important with the new people to make friends, and we'll share कि how to we'll read the book as well. एक book है कि how to interact with friends, how to make friends, how to add value to their life. ठीक है, people will respect only when you add value to their life. आज के ज़माने में power is not going to work. We also talk about the power families में power कैसे होती है, independence और power में क्या relation है, and how in the society जहाँ पे सभी लोग independent हो रहे हैं, कोई किसी की पावर के अंडर में नहीं आ रहा है. इनफैक्ट इन द फैमिलीज इटसेल्फ how can you build that mutual trust, mutual understanding, and how can you be a good friend in terms of the relationship. We'll also cover that in the couple of next coming weeks. Yeah, Prince, over to you. Would you like to go next?
Yeah, particularly this week is a very busy for me, especially a lot of intensive interview schedule. So first of all, I was very nervous because I feel I have very bad communication skill, especially in English. That's why I feeling that I might be not selected in any one of this internship. But in one like IBS FinTech, cross HR round, but I rejected in technical round. Then again in Brain Alive, I got selected. Uh, uh, and after in SIP, there is one more company, which is a kind of a startup, which is incubated in IIT Patna, and they personally called me to meet for campus. So there is two positive things happened in this week, and I think I learned from my experience that always try your best with least expectation. So these two things is little bit positive for me in this week.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you for going one step further and not sharing only one experience. You go ahead and share two experience. Thank you, Prince. And you precisely, I believe that you are speaking very well done. I mean, your English is fabulous. Whatever the confidence that you have, it's very nice. And keep it up. Keep it learning. That's
But
good.
I feel some inertia in myself because in last couple of years, means 3 or 4 years, I never talk in English because I am in profession which everywhere means I communicate in Hindi. But I feel that if I communicate to anyone, then I might improve my fluency. But currently I facing is in this COVID that like I am in right now I am in village. So I face this kind of problem, like a group kind of problem, in which I can discuss some topics, so I can improve my fluency.
No
So
problem.
right
No
now
problem.
facing this
Definitely,
kind of problem.
this is. I mean, the COVID has given this opportunity. In fact, in India, that you can go ahead and connect with any people around the world, and that is the power. That is the opportunity that you need to crack. And it's a very good opportunity platform that you are coming here and connecting with the people all around the India, and then probably all around the globe. That's a good opportunity. And keep learning. Keep learning. Thank you, Prince, for sharing your experience. Yeah, Sumit, over to you. Would you like to go next?
Yeah, one thing that I started, not strictly during this week, but yeah, I started running, which I used to do, but due to the online sim, I had been lagging on a bit. So during this week or so, I had started
Sumit,
running.
your voice is actually flickering. I don't know why. Maybe there is some background noise is coming.
Try, yeah, let me try some. I hope it's more
Now,
clear
now,
now.
now it is more clear. And just add couple of points. Ki what is the positive that you see, that you experience?
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, the positive thing that I feel is I feel gratitude. I feel a sense of gratitude towards my body that after all after a period of 6 months, I have been treating my body very badly. I haven't been looking up to my body. I have been eating all kinds of junk food, but still, when I started practicing a more or working out a more, I feel that I am getting back to my rhythm that I used to have prior to 6 months or so.
Good, good.
So, so a sense of gratitude is that I feel as like, towards my body. I feel that what we don't appreciate a lot is our fitness. We do not appreciate how much our body can take, and yeah, so that's
Okay.
all.
Yeah. Thanks, Sumit, for sharing your experience. Yeah, Deepika, would you like to go next?
Yeah. So basically, nowadays I'm feeling more confident and I feel like I can do anything. Nothing is impossible in this world. So yeah, and even this is reflect from my personality too. So my mentality is also like going in a positive direction. So this is what I need, and this book is amazing. And with the help of this platform, we are doing good. So
Nice.
yeah, I'm loving it. I'm
Nice.
enjoying this.
Good, good. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, Deepali, just give couple of examples from your 1 week this week's experience.
Yeah, the best thing which I learned in the last week, I started tracking my whole schedule when I am going to bed. So this will help me to know what I am doing, like the things which are productive, the things which are not productive, because we are doing number of stuff in the whole day. But those things are directly or indirectly, maybe some are related to our career, some are not related to our career. So this will help me to figure it out, which is like which I have to adopt for the whole life, and which I have to like ban it or forgive it. So this is what I learned in the last few weeks.
Nice, 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 nice. Thank you, Deepali, for sharing. Thank you all for sharing experiences. And remember, guys, it's not only about that we read one book and then we practice it and then we can see the results in the very first week or second week itself. It's not going to reflect that. I mean, you can have a sense of experience, but the results will take time. It will take time to get the compound effect, to get you in the momentum. It will take time to create the ripple effect in your personal and in professional life, in your career life, but it will take time. But be consistent, and I promise you it is going to be an amazing thing that is going to be happen. So we'll go one more round. This round I'm going to ask you one question, that what is the most what is the most value that you hate the most? So what is the hatred value that you hate, or the things that you hate, right? So for example, for me, when I see there could be many things. I'm just giving my examples. For example, it could be cruelty to animals. When you see somebody is having showing that cruelty to the animals, you hate that thing the most. You see that deforestation is having, the people are destroying our forest, and that you hate the most. And for me, it's something like, for my example, I would go like the company which are selling these beverages, right, Coca-Cola and Pepsi, I hate them the most. I literally hate them the most. Why? Because they are literally destroying the lives of the people. इतना ज़्यादा एडवर्टीजमेंट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ फॉर व्हाट? दैट इज़ फॉर जस्ट नथिंग. दैट one glass of soda can, it's nothing but a sugar and carbon dioxide. That's nothing. And they are committing, from my experience, they are committing the crime, the heinous crime in the world, and that is what I hate the most. Matlab, right now, one of the things that so I would like to ask you the same question in the same domain. Anything could be, the things, the values that you hate the most. Those are the things. I mean, the things that you hate the most. So again, I will just pick random people. It's not like I'm going to one and one round. I'll start with Sumit. Yeah, Sumit, you seems to be thinking about a lot. If you
Yeah,
want,
actually, the thing I hate the most is it isn't one
discuss.
particular thing. It actually figures a lot. At one point of time, I may hate something very very passionately. Another point of time, it may not be so. I'm just thinking about something that one quality that I consistently hate.
Okay, so
I think disrespecting towards one's parent. That
okay.
that that I any situation I don't like. Like
Nice, nice. Yeah, thank
while
you.
you are,
Cool,
so
cool. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Sumit.
if asking for one,
Yes, yes.
that
Only
I
one.
may say.
So right, right. Disrespecting for the parents, the people who are disrespecting for the parents, you hate the most. That is good. That is good. Anyone wants to go voluntarily next? Raj, you are on mute. You
I
can
will.
go ahead. Yes, let's
हाँ
go Raj first, and then we can come back to Deepali.
Yeah, okay. So two things I hate the most. वैसे तो disrespecting parent भी हो गया है, ये सब तो general point है, but एक होता नहीं है कि देख के खून खौल जाए. That two things are like, जो लोग publicly garbage फेंक देते हैं चलते चलते, लेस खाया, then they just throw that packet, और जो पान खाते हैं रोड पे ऐसे कॉर्नर में, तो वो सब मुझे बहुत ही, मतलब लाइक, अगर मेरा बस चलता तो मैं मारते चलूं लोगों को ये सब करते हुए, अगर ऐसा मिल जाए. एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज एनिमल क्रूएल्टी. बिकॉज एज एन एनिमल लवर, मेरे यहाँ खुद ऑलरेडी मैंने डॉग्स पाले हुए थे, तो आई फील वेरी कनेक्टेड विद देम. तो अगर मैं देखता हूँ लाइक कि कोई कुत्तों को मार रहा है, मार देते हैं लोग, ऐसे खेल खेल में लोग पत्थर से मार देते हैं, और दे कैन नॉट स्पीक, दे कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस देयर पेन. तो वो देख के मुझे बहुत ही गुस्सा आता है. तो
Nice,
दैट
nice.
टू थिंग्स पब्लिकली आई कैन नॉट रिस्पॉन्ड, बट आई हेट दैट.
Nice, nice, nice. So yeah, it's very nicely well said that, Raj, that 2 points. And everyone has their own experiences of valuing someone's value and hating something that they like, and we all need to respect that. And it's very important that you mentioned these two things, and thank you for sharing your experience. Yeah, Deepali, please go ahead.
Actually, I just want to add it because I have that Coca-Cola bottle with me. So when you said this stuff, so I was like, I'm not going to have it after this. And the point that you added, I just want to say, like I'm living in hospital right now. So what I see here, everyone is misusing water and electricity because they think they are paying a certain amount of money so they can do whatever they want. But this is not. As an active citizen and active citizen, you have to be very obey with your resources that you are getting because we get from our generation and this is our responsibility to pass our next generation. So we must adopt the sustainability development that we study in, I think, class 8th or 7th. So we must have this in our mind. You are paying some amount, it doesn't mean that you can do whatever you want. So you have that, and this must be inculcated with own will. You are not there is no any person which going to force you to do this is one's personal choice. So I just request to each and everyone which is here in the platform, just avoid using the misuse of electricity and water because these
Definitely.
are something like blessed
Yeah.
to have this.
Great, great, great. Thank you, Dipali, for putting your point of view here. And it's not like if someone is hating someone, you also need to hate that. It's our preference, personal preferences. See, the things cannot be forced to someone. It always should come from your inwards. Right. So any value or anything that you hate, anything that you value the most, the good thing, the bad things, it comes from you. It starts with you. So once you start following the same thing, and once you interact with the people nearby, तुम उनको इन्फ्लुएंस करने लगते हो वही चीज़ दोबारा करने के लिए. अच्छी चीज़ करोगे तो अच्छी चीज़ इन्फ्लुएंस करोगे, गलत चीज़ करोगे तो गलत चीज़ इन्फ्लुएंस करोगे. एंड दैट डेफिनेशन चेंजेस फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. Okay, so we'll go next. Yeah, Prince, you seems very excited. Yeah, please go ahead.
So everyone added some points which I wanted to tell. Like
सबने बता दिया.
first one.
सबने बता दिया. इसका point खत्म हो गया.
No. First of all, I really feel very bad when someone cutting a tree, especially when I see in my village. Because in my childhood memory, there is a lot of tree in my nearby area of my field, and I feel when I memorize at that time that what that time was. But right now, what I am seeing that everyone try to cutting the tree and building, making houses, unnecessary houses. Means if they are means if a family of 4 or 5 they are living in a simple house, they can means they can live very well. But they are cutting tree and expanding their houses. So I feel very bad that the greenery of a village is evading very rapidly. So
Okay.
these things very I hate very bad for this.
Okay. Thank you, Prince, for sharing your experience. And see, many a times it's also needed that the things that you hate the most may create some positive for someone else. For example, we talk about this Coca-Cola company. I hate the most because I don't want to promote that the thing that they are selling it to people. First of all, and then secondly, it can be good for the company corporate who is already earning a lot of tons of billions or trillions of money. So the value, the same things can be positive for someone else, can be negative for someone else. What value that you are valuing, it depends from person to person. And again, the deforestation वाला point जैसा तुमने किया कि deforestation, extensive deforestation is not needed. साथ साथ afforestation is also needed because we also need to move forward. हमारी इंडस्ट्री सिविलाइजेशन सोसाइटी भी आगे बढ़नी चाहिए, बट साथ साथ हमें नेचर को साथ में लेके चलना है. सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट होनी चाहिए. राइट. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दिस पॉइंट. ओके, जयदीप, प्लीज गो अहेड.
So we can say the who of government officials who uses their power in a wrong direction. You can say that I hate the most.
Okay. Thank you, Jaydeep, for sharing the point.
This I am telling you because of recent experience.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Okay, good. So yeah, who is left? Harsh, would you like to go next?
Actually, I don't hate anyone, but I don't like, you can say, I don't like people who smoke in public places, especially because I don't want, because they are dying and I will die too because of them. So
Okay.
I don't want, like that type of people.
Nice. Thank you, Harsh, for bringing this point. Yeah, कौन बचा? Anushri, would you like to go next?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
Yes. Being a dog lover, I can't see like डॉग्स या कोई भी पेन में हो या उनको कोई भी अब्यूज करे तो मतलब आई कांट सी देम। और हाँ, if someone making judgment on someone, then I really hate,
Okay.
like without knowing their condition you can't judge someone.
Right,
So
right. Definitely. Thank you, Anushree, for bringing this point. See, the second point that you mentioned, right? Giving the judgment point of view. See, everyone. There are two aspects of the relationship. First aspect is that when you don't know the person, you always judge. Once you accept that person, be वो person चाहे जैसा भी हो, you accept him. तब आप जज करना बंद कर देते हो. लेकिन इनिशियल फेज में you always judge. And it's important that you bring that point कि that person needs to understand him or her first. And that's called empathy. Empathy in the sense कि मतलब you have to put your legs in their shoes to watch. उनकी आंखों से आपको देखना पड़ेगा what they are watching. And once you understand their point of view, then you will be able to suggest, recommend, or guide them or help them out. So it's very important to understand their point of view, and that's where the empathy and mutual understanding comes. And further you build on the trust, and then further you build on the relationship. Okay, thank you Anushree for bringing this point. Yeah, Deepika, right? So Deepika, would you like to go next?
Yeah. So what I hate the most nowadays is that law system of India, like news which was very trending nowadays, which is even trending. The one girl which is hit by a Zomato boy, who no one knows which the who is the victim, who is the criminal, and we don't know. But we feel there should be a proper investigation, inquiry. Like I feel like our law system is not that good. कभी भी किसी को भी जेल में डाल देते हैं, फिर इंक्वायरी बाद में होती है. तो दिस इज नॉट द थिंग, दिस इज नॉट like
Okay.
which I feel is proper. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So probably we can. It's nice that you bring this point because it depends. See, हमारे पास ऐसे laws भी हैं जो really criminal को punish भी करते हैं, but sometimes it got delayed and it's not a one day process. धीरे धीरे चीज़ें सही होती हैं. बड़े लेवल ऑफिसर्स जब वैसे सिस्टम्स पे रहते हैं, वो फिर इसको ट्रेस बैक करते हैं, फीडबैक लूप में दोबारा करते हैं, एंड देन वो पूरा ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक अच्छी सिस्टम्स होती है, फिर धीरे धीरे जाके ये चीज़ें इंप्रूव होती है. बट हाँ, वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आवर ओन एंड कि यदि हमारे साथ आसपास में कभी किसी के साथ कोई गलत हो रहा है, किसी छोटे के साथ कोई बुली कर रहा है या फिर किसी को कोई परेशान कर रहा है, वी कैन कम फॉरवर्ड एंड हेल्प हिम और हर आउट. ओके, सो वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आवर सेल्फ. थैंक यू गाइज, थैंक यू फॉर एवरी वन गिविंग दिस पॉइंट. सबने शेयर कर दिया, राइट? या, ओके, I can see. Anyone left? No one left. Okay, right. So I just wanted to wrap it up within 40 to 45 minutes because we have one more meet 3 p.m. onwards. So I would like to share one assessment question that I have made, and these assessment questions are based on the things that we just discussed. It are the things that you can find from the very last feedback forms that are there given in the compound effect book. And in the meantime, once you fill this form, I will also help you to the things that Deepali is doing and couple more students are also doing. They are tracking their habits, they are evaluating their gratitude assessment, they are doing their self assessment. On the same note, I'll be helping this throughout this week, and then we'll be finishing up and then creating that big momentum in ourselves. ठीक है, तो हम एक नेक्स्ट हफ्ते का अपना टारगेट ये रखते हैं कि we want to finish this book. ठीक है, जो पीपल रीड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, दे कैन गो एंड वॉच दैट ऑडियो क्लिप दैट आई हैव शेयर थ्रू दैट वीडियो, एंड देन वी विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट असेसिंग आवर सेल्फ असेसमेंट. सो ये गूगल की जो शीट है, आई विल शेयर इट वी यू राइट नाउ. यू कैन जस्ट कॉपी इट हेयर, और आई विल ऑल्सो शेयर इन योर WhatsApp group. Right, from there just take out 10 to 15 minutes of time. I am leaving you 20 minutes before. You can just sit right now and just fill it the form, and once done, please give us a thumbs up ki, okay, I have done, I filled it, so that others can also get motivated from you and they can also come ahead and fill this form. Okay, so just I'm leaving you 20 minutes before 3 p.m. Just sit for 10 to 15 minutes. It will just take 10 to 15 minutes of time to fill it the form, and then once you are done, once you have filled the form, just give a thumbs up in the group ki, okay, I have filled this form, thank you for sharing. Okay guys, sounds good?
Okay.
Great. So it was nice connecting with you, and anytime you can come forward. You can just text me, you can message me, you can call me, subah, dopahar, sham, raat, anytime you can approach me, be it your personal life, your professional life. you wanted to share something, anything I could be of help, you can just call me and talk to me. Sounds good? Chalo, theek hai. Okay, guys. It's okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye, guys.
Thank you,
Bye.
भैया.
Yeah.